Hi everyone and welcome to Studio Tour. I'll show you around what I'm currently working on, how I store my watercolor pencils, and then I'll show you how to create a very easy take with you watercolor sketch pack. So first of all, over here this is where I store my current projects. So I'm working on this dog here. On my desk in the corner here, I am working on this one as well. This is almost finished, so we're getting there. Down here are my little studio assistants who happen to be asleep as per usual. I have a set of drawers here which are from IKEA. So in this particular one I have all my paper. So I have a smooth heavyweight which can be used for watercolor painting as well. This particular one says hot press, so that means it's a smooth paper, as opposed to some that have the coarser texture. The way I always remember it is if it's hot pressed, it's smooth. So I imagine a hot iron ironing it out to make it smooth. So here's where I remember my watercolor pencils. So in those, it's a set of drawers just from an office supplies place. I have one drawer that has the blues, the greens, pinks, reds, yellows, etc. And in this top one I have the greys, the browns, and then the light neutrals at this end. Okay, so I have my Caran d'Ache watercolor pencils, so I tend to keep these separate, I guess only because they're more expensive and I only have a very limited supply of them for that very reason. So I keep these in here. So I've bought a selection of, I guess, neutral colours that work well for animals. So these are like the browns, a few lighter colours like yellows and blues that can be used for, say, eyes or fur highlights. Over here, there's a bit of a mixture in here, but all that can work for noses, tongues, ears, etc. I also have some greens because, well, one green, and this is a coloured brush pen actually, which is basically a watercolour pen. So I'll go more into that in another video. I guess I bought those because I was planning on perhaps going to do some outdoor sketching that would probably involve perhaps some landscapes. So for that reason I included some green and also the blues because they could be used for the skies, and then again the browns can also go in with the outdoor landscape theme. Next, I'm going to show you how you can make a very simple watercolor pencil kit that you can take with you anywhere you go. Okay, so first of all, we will bring some paper. So you can just get a very simple A5 watercolor pad that you can fit into a bag very easily, not very thick either. In terms of pencils, I would take this is just a little eraser pencil. It's got there has the eraser built in. You can get these at any stationery supplies shop. So I would put in that. I would just take a few very basic colors, so a green of some sort, a yellow, a red, a dark sepia is a good color because it's a cross between dark brown, grey, and a blue, and that's pretty much that. So that fits in any small size pencil case, or you can even just put them in a rubber band around it if you really wanted to. So that I would bring a paper towel just to dab brush on or to wipe up anything you might need to. That fits in here as well. In terms of brushes, you could bring a pen, a water brush pen. All you do is fill it, put some water in the little barrel here before you leave, do it up, and that's all ready to go. So you could bring that. The other option is to just bring any normal brush that would fit in there. And this is actually a little salad dressing container that you can buy at a supermarket. You can just pop some water in there and use that with the brush. That fits in here as well. And I probably would leave it at that. And if you like, just to be safe, you can put a whole lot into a Ziploc plastic bag to keep it safe and dry, and that is all you need. So all you really need to take is some paper of some sort and a little pencil case that fits pretty easily in any size handbag. And if you're out at a coffee shop, you're sitting in the park, down at the beach, it's really easy just to get that out and be creative. So I hope that's inspired you to make your own little travel kit. If you have made one, share in the comments what you've put inside your travel kit. Don't forget to subscribe and head over to the link where you can download your supplies list for a basic starter kit.